Welcome to DaTo's, your gateway to the future of automotive diagnostics and workshop equipment. Are you in search of the latest automotive workshop equipment that sets your garage apart from the rest? Perhaps you're planning to open a new vehicle maintenance shop. DaTo's is your partner in success, providing cutting-edge solutions for your workshop needs. Seeking the world's best automotive diagnostic tools? Look no further. At DaTo's, we manufacture a wide range of products from precision diagnostic tools to state-of-the-art workshop equipment. Our lineup includes diagnostic scanners, lifts, alignment systems, and more. Wondering which DaTo's product suits your needs best? Our expert team is here to assist you. We understand the pulse of your workshop requirements. Count on us to provide accurate suggestions, tailored just for you. Our commitment to understanding your needs sets DaTo's apart. And here's the best part. Get a free estimate for your workshop setup. Call the number on the screen or visit our website to kickstart your journey with DaTo's.